Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English version, Math, Exercise 4.2. Question number 7, 8. Number 7. If x minus 2y equals to 3, find the value of x cube minus 8y cube minus 18xy. So we have to find the value. And we know it looks like a cube minus b cube corollary we have to apply. So we know a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Now question number 7. X minus 2y equals to 3. X minus 2y equals to 3. Find the value of x cube minus 8y cube minus 18xy. Given expression, x cube minus 8y cube minus 18xy equals to x cube minus 2y whole cube minus 18xy. Why we are changing 8y cube to 2y whole cube? Because we want to apply this corollary a cube minus b cube. To make it look a cube minus b cube, we change this. Okay, now this is looking like a cube minus b cube. Can we apply the corollary? Yes. So a minus b whole cube means x. Here a is x, b means 2y. A minus b whole cube plus 3ab means 3 into x, b means y, 3ab into a minus b. A means x minus 2y. And there was minus 18xy. So we write minus 18xy equals to. Now let us put the value of x minus 2y. We can put this value x minus 2y equals to 3. Now substituting the value of x minus 2y. What is the value of x minus 2y? It is 3. So if we substitute the value of x minus 2y, what we get? 3 cube plus 3 into 2 is 12, and x minus 2y is, okay, let's write the value first before we calculate. 3 into x into 2y into x minus 2y means 3 minus 1 18xy equals to 3 cube means 27 plus 3 into 2 6 into 3 18xy minus 18xy equals to 27, because plus 18xy minus 18xy is 0. So answer is 27. Now next, question number 8. 4x minus 3y equals to 5. 4x minus 3y equals to 5. Left hand side. We have to prove that left side is equals to right side. So left hand side equals to 64x cubed minus 27 minus 180x equals to, can we change it to form a cube minus b cube? Yes, we can. How? 64x cube means 4x whole cube minus 27 means 3 cube minus 180x. Now this looks like a cube minus b cube, and we can write using that, we can apply the corollary a cube minus b cube. A minus b whole cube means 4x minus 3, a minus b whole cube minus 3ab plus 3ab plus 3ab means 3 into 4x into 3 into a minus b means 4x minus 3 plus 3ab, and there was another element minus 180x equals to, substituting 4x minus 3y, 4x minus 3y. Substituting 4x minus 3y means putting the value of 4x minus 3y. It is 5. So we can write 5 cube plus 3 into 4 into 3, 36 x into 4x minus 3y means 5 minus 180x equals to 125 plus 180x minus 180x equals to 125, because plus 180 and minus 180 gone. So 125 equals to right hand side. Right hand side proved. Left hand side equals to right hand side proved. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.